Alright traders, welcome back to the channel. Let's do a very quick recap on this particular trade I took yesterday. I promised you guys that I'm going to give you a review on every trade I took, whether it went positive or negative. A good trader is actually supposed to learn from his winning trades and his losses. That is how to become professional in trading. But then at some point I stopped because most of you complained that the videos are too much. I decided to stop. But then the comments kept on coming that why did I stop posting my trades every time I take the trade? And then if you want me to keep posting it, you can let me know in the comments. If you don't want, I will stop. It's as simple as that. Now this particular trade I took yesterday, and it was on cryptocurrencies. For those of you who are not aware, I have a free cryptocurrency community, and this particular cryptocurrency community, I share signals with them freely. Anytime I'm taking trade on crypto assets, I share signals for them, and I also created a very good crash course for those of you who want to start trading cryptocurrencies in the futures market. To make it easier, you can just reach out to me through the WhatsApp link in the description of this video, or if you have my Telegram handle, you can reach out to me. But there is a requirement for getting into the crypto community. The requirement is simply for you to get a BYBIT account, register with my link. You have to register with my link. If you already have a BYBIT account, don't worry, there is a way we can go about it. Just reach out to me in WhatsApp or my Telegram or even on Instagram. My handle is within the YouTube community. So you can actually see that I am also taking a trade right now on XRP again. I shared the signals right here, all right, with the community before the trade started working out. So this is it. I am taking a buy on XRP, but then let's talk about this particular one for yesterday. I did simple top-down analysis on this particular crypto pair. So let's look at this. I started from the 4-hour time frame. The 4-hour time frame is always my favorite time frame for analysis. I love it. I love it. So what happened was that yesterday I saw price did this break of structure bullish. This is simply a trend continuation pattern in display. You have to always look out for the best trading buyers that will favor you. All right. So look at what happened. As price went up bullish here, especially here, price went up bullish, retraced a bit into this fair value gap. You can see price had a fair value gap here. Don't ignore this. Price came back into that fair value gap. The only reason why price couldn't come here, I could see, did it trade into this bullish order block? Just a little distance between them. And then this fair value gap is obviously very important for price in the order of arrangement for PDRA. So when I saw this, I went down to the 15-minute time frame, but then let me just take out some of this so you can see. Okay, perfectly. Price decided to quickly shoot up from the 15 minutes time frame. Okay, this was it. It had another break of structure here. In fact, as at the time I saw this, I was expecting price to trade massively down into the discount area of this price range. That was why I took the trade. Now, if you look at cryptocurrencies these few days, they are highly volatile. That's because of the recent US election. And this was the signal I shared. All right. This was the signal I shared. I put limit order for that particular entry. And I put the limit order waiting for price to actually come into the exact area I put the entry expectation. Price came back. Boom. I think I came out around where? Is that where I came out? Somewhere around here. I came out quite earlier. Somewhere around there. But then it was a positive trade anyway. Massively positive. So as price came back, it took me in massively. Direct with that level of precision. If it had just pushed lower to target this guy, I would have gotten stopped out, of course. But I was confident enough that price has no reason coming down here. All right, because price have traded already into these significant areas, you have to know where price have traded on the left hand side of your chart so that you will have confidence to put your stop loss where price is not expected to come. So when I saw these challenging moves, I even thought price was not going to move. I think I came out around here. Yes, I came out quite earlier. So that was the trade. And the same thing happening today, why I am taking this today's trade, even though I'm going to do the recap later, since you asked me to keep doing that. I just want to show you the trade for today. Beautiful. Price is still in this scenario. Now, two things might happen here. Let me quickly show you. All right. Price may most likely trade into this fair value gap. All right. Or price will continue bullish. That is what I'm seeing. But then from that perspective, I can see that price had a bullish mitigation block here, which I was expecting price to respect and then go bullish from that area. So that is the reason why I am taking this trade bullish, at least into this area, this fair value gap. That is my target before it trades bearish. In case price wants to trade bearish, that is exactly what I expect price to do. So this is the reason why I took the trade from where I took it bullish from here. That is the trade entry from here. And it was an instant trade execution. Where was it? Is it here? Let me see it from the chart. Here. Not this one. This was yesterday. This one. Yes. It was exactly at this point that I took the trade. Let me show you. Yeah, that's the point that I took the trade. So for those of you who want to receive those signals, you can quickly let me know. I have created a crash course how to access BYBIT. BYBIT works for Nigerians wherever you are. I have shown you how to go about it. You can just check it and it's quite easy and straightforward for you to get access to that. Reach out to me on WhatsApp and then I'll show you what to do. If you are new, totally new to BYBIT, just create the BYBIT account using my link and then send me the user ID in WhatsApp and I'll give you the link to join the community. So this trade, I have full confidence in it that it's going to work, and then we're watching it play out and the target still remains that area. The stop loss looks big, but that's supposed to be where it's supposed to be. That is where the stop loss is obviously supposed to be. Sometimes our stop loss will be bigger than what we expect, but then that is supposed to be how it should be, or that is where it's supposed to be. The stop loss is always supposed to be at some point. I didn't take it from here. It was here. I took the trade, so I have to put my stop loss here because all these areas are more riskier. Price can actually come here and never reach here, but then return and go back up only after it removed you because you are too stingy with your entry. So this is how it works. 1:2 entry. Price is just giving me 1:2 after it works. So guys, thank you very much for watching. This is just a quick recap on the trade analysis. See you in my next video.